Welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior video channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, in Social Media Marketing 2021, in this particular video, I'm going to be going over avoiding this number one mistake when you're marketing on your social media, regardless of whatever it is that you're selling. If you're not aware of what I'm about to reveal in this video, this could end up costing you your business no matter what you're marketing. If you happen to be watching this video from Rumble or YouTube, connect with me on other social media, which you can find down below in the video description below this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Rumble so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. From my observations of this marketplace as of right now, especially in these recent times, there are a lot of people who are looking to make money online. People are realizing that they cannot simply just rely on their jobs as their primary source of income. And so they're turning to the internet to find a way to make money online. So with that said, with that little background I just gave, with social media, so I'm pretty sure, and tell me in the comments if you've ever seen this done before, or if you've ever seen this before. There are plenty of videos, say on YouTube, that talk about, oh, this is the best social media platform to market on. Oh, you want to actually get your presence built up on this social media because I've built over 4 million followers on there and have closed, I don't know, probably like over hundreds of sales on that platform. Now, you've probably seen a lot of videos like that. In this particular video, it's not about that. Okay, if any social media platforms are working for you right now in your business, awesome job, great on your part. However, you don't want to just rely on one social media platform for your business. I'll tell you why. What I'm going to be citing here is the following from Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson, because he talks about this in the beginning of the book. Who here has seen Avengers Infinity War? Okay, if you've ever seen Avengers Infinity War, and spoiler alert for those who have not seen that movie, you will know that in the end, Thanos gets the Infinity Gauntlet, he gets all the Infinity Stones, and just like that, with a snap of the finger, he wipes out half of the entire world's population. Or more than half, it's somewhere around there. And with that analogy, think of it like this for marketing. Let's say that your business is entirely dependent on Facebook. You're making a really great income on Facebook. You're making, I would say, just to make up a figure, you're making $120,000 on Facebook for your business. So let's just use that as an example. What will happen if one day Mark Zuckerberg decides to change something? And Facebook has been constantly changing, in case you haven't been aware of already. What if Mark Zuckerberg decides to just do one thing on Facebook, change one thing about Facebook that ends up wiping out tons and tons of marketers of their business income, including yours? Because in the end, the ones who are going to end up staying on, like, say, social media, for example, Facebook, are the marketers who have really big pockets, the big corporations who can afford to shell out tons and tons of money on paid advertising. Now, for marketers like you and me, it doesn't benefit, because there could be the time that Facebook changes something and then it ends up no longer benefiting us, you and me marketers, including the newbies. So I want you to really think about that. Can you imagine just having built up a presence, having built up a great income on Facebook, and then only to find out that it took one change, thanks to Mark Zuckerberg, and with that change, you ended up losing your business income altogether. How painful would that be if that happened to you right now? It'd be too painful, right? And if that has been your only source of income for your business, well, guess what? You have to start all over again from the very bottom. Now, I don't care what you've been told in the past about, oh, use this hack to grow Facebook, or, I don't need another social media platform. Facebook is working so great for me. I'm getting a lot of likes, comments, engagements. I'm even closing sales. I don't need another social media platform. But remember, all it takes is just one change on a social media platform to make your income on that social media platform disappear like that. And it's happened in the past. So the solution to this, if you're watching this right now, is don't just rely on one social media platform. What you want to do is you want to leverage other social media platforms. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen on my desktop so that you can see what other social media platforms that I also market on besides Facebook. Because to be totally transparent with you, I don't rely on Facebook just for my marketing. Because if I did, well, then it would be marketing suicide if something were to happen. And the results and the kind of income that I've built up from Facebook ends up getting destroyed and gone. So let me go ahead and share my screen over here so that you can see what other social media platforms I also market on. Give me a few moments to actually share this. All right. Okay. So I did mention just a moment ago that one of the social media platforms that I leverage is Facebook. So I do use Facebook for my business. I also use YouTube for my marketing as well because I am also a video marketer. So I use YouTube, and as you can see, I have 177 subscribers right now. And I do have my content on here. As you can see, I've been posting videos every week, every single week without fail. And the point I'm making here is take whatever content that you post on YouTube, take whatever content that you post from Facebook, and use that content, post it on other social media platforms. So I'll give you one example. Gab. Gab is one social media platform that I use to market my business. So if you go on my profile right over here, so over here you can see that I've been posting on Gab for a while now, and I've already built up 46 followers so far. And as you can see, I've been getting engagements with my Gab post that I've been posting. As you can see, I've been getting some likes, some comments. Be even sharing my results from my marketing on social media as well. I also use another social media platform called MeWe. And I also post here consistently on a daily basis as well. Now, MeWe, MeWe, I've only been marketing on MeWe for just recently. I haven't really seen a whole lot of results show up so far, so I'm still marketing in the early stages on MeWe. But what I can honestly say is, for marketing on Gab, I have been building up my presence on here, and I've already reached almost 50 followers just from consistently posting daily on my Gab profile and just continuing to share value-based content. And for video marketing, I also leverage Rumble. Now, this is another video platform in which I take my content from YouTube that you see right here, and I also share it on here as well. And as you can see, I've already started to get some rumbles on my videos, And I've also accumulated 12 subscribers so far. And that's only been about a month that I've been consistently posting on Rumble. And by the way, if you are watching this video right now and you're absolutely getting a ton of value from what you're seeing and from what you're hearing me talk about, I want you to actually go on some of these social media accounts that I just showed you, and feel free to actually follow me on other social media platforms so that you can continue getting value-based content from myself. Now, continuing right along here, now let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen over here. The reason why you want to leverage building up your presence on other social media platforms is so that people will actually see you more often and not just in one place, because you're building up your presence, you're building up your brand. And with other brands out there, like popular brands, you don't see them just rely on one social media platform. They're on different social media platforms in order to get their brand recognition across, and so that they can actually sell whatever products that they're selling. Well, the same way works for whatever you're selling as well. Now, if you're a beginner right now, you don't know what to do for your marketing, don't overwhelm yourself. I just showed you about 4 or 5 different social media platforms that you can be leveraging. And don't overwhelm yourself. Don't overcomplicate it. The best recommendation I can give to you is whatever that you're posting on, say, Facebook, share that on the other social media that you have, like, say, Gab, for instance. You can share whatever content that you post on Facebook and you share it on Gab as well. Just repurpose whatever content that you're posting on the social media that you have right now and just post it on the other social media channels. If you don't have accounts for those other social media channels, I highly recommend that you go ahead and create one. It's absolutely free, no charge, and get that started as soon as possible, because the results won't be immediate. As you can see from what I just showed you just a moment ago, the results aren't like, huge. They aren't like, oh yeah, I've built like 1,000 followers or 3 million followers overnight. I'm showing you this for real transparency and to tell you that with marketing, it takes time to build up. It really does. The thing that you got to take into account is consistency. You just got to be consistent with what you're posting on social media, because that's how you're going to trigger the algorithm. That's how you're going to start to get engagement. And when you get engagement, when you get likes, comments, reply back to those comments. They always help boost up the post when you do that. And so just remember that don't rely on one social media platform for your business. Build up your presence on other social media platforms so that you can get your brand recognition across, because at the end of the day, you are building your brand as a marketer, no matter what it is that you're selling in your business. Because remember that you are a marketer, not just another affiliate. Choose to be the marketer, not just another affiliate. So with that said, I trust that you got a ton of value out of this video. And if you absolutely got a ton of value from what you saw in this video today, I invite you to check out the online marketing resources down below in the video description. Click the one that you feel best suits you. It'll take you to a page where you can opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through, lock in your spot, get positioned as soon as possible so that you can get started in learning how to market. You can get started with marketing and start getting results in your business, and so that you can be on your way to building the lifestyle of your dreams. However, you cannot do that unless you actually check out the online marketing resources down below this video. So I highly recommend that you do that right now. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.